Welcome to France, a land where winemaking is not just an industry, but an art form deeply embedded in the culture and heritage of the nation. Embark on an unforgettable adventure through France's renowned wine regions, where exquisite tastings, breathtaking scenery, and rich cultural experiences await. Unveiling the secrets of terroir. France's diverse geography and climate create a tapestry of terroir, a magical blend of soil, sun, and grape varieties that defines the character of each region's wine. From the bold Cabernet Sauvignons of Bordeaux to the elegant Pinot Noirs of Burgundy, terroir unveils a world of flavor possibilities. Bordeaux, a legacy of excellence. Step into the heart of Bordeaux, a region synonymous with winemaking excellence. Here, grand chateaux grace the landscape, their cellars holding treasures of aged wines that whisper tales of time and tradition. Discover the secrets behind the world-renowned first growths, the pinnacle of Bordeaux's winemaking heritage. Burgundy, the soul of Pinot Noir. Venture into the picturesque vineyards of Burgundy, where the noble Pinot Noir grape reigns supreme. Explore the Côte d'Or, the crown jewel of Burgundy, where villages like Vosne-Romanée and Gevrey-Chambertin produce wines of unparalleled elegance and finesse. Champagne, the birthplace of bubbles. Delve into the effervescent world of Champagne, where the art of sparkling winemaking has been perfected for centuries. Visit the historic chalk cellars of Reims and Épernay, where millions of bottles slumber, awaiting the moment to unleash their symphony of bubbles. Rhône Valley, a symphony of flavors. Embark on a culinary and wine adventure through the Rhône Valley, where hearty cuisine meets world-class wines. From the robust reds of the Syrah grape to the delicate whites of Viognier, the Rhône Valley offers a tantalizing array of flavors to tantalize your taste buds. Loire Valley, a garden of delights. Wander through the enchanting Loire Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning castles and verdant landscapes. Discover the unique wines of this region, where Chenin Blanc produces both crisp, refreshing whites and luscious, sweet dessert wines. A culinary journey, regional specialties, and wine pairings. No wine adventure is complete without indulging in the culinary delights that complement each region's unique flavors. Savor the hearty stews of Burgundy, paired with a rich Pinot Noir, or delight in the fresh seafood of the Loire Valley, alongside a crisp Chenin Blanc. Beyond the vines, unveiling France's cultural treasures. As you traverse France's wine regions, immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage that surrounds you. Explore ancient castles, stroll through charming villages, and savor the vibrant local traditions that make France a truly enchanting destination. A journey of discovery. Unlocking the secrets of French wine. Your journey through France's wine regions is more than just a tasting experience. It's a voyage of discovery, a chance to unveil the secrets behind the world's most celebrated wines. From the Furches Kralbauer, meticulous grape selection, to the art of aging and blending, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the passion and craftsmanship that goes into every bottle. Embrace the enchantment. Experience the magic of French wine. As you raise a glass of exquisite French wine, let the flavors transport you to the sun-drenched vineyards, the charming villages, and the passionate winemakers who have poured their hearts and souls into creating these masterpieces. Savor the moment, for this is the essence of France, a land where wine is not just a drink, but an art form, a celebration of life, and a testament to the enduring human spirit. Embark on your own wine-fueled adventure through France today. Plan your itinerary, book your tastings, and prepare to be captivated by the magic of French wine. Let your senses be your guide as you discover the world-renowned wines, the breathtaking landscapes, and the rich cultural heritage that make France a truly unforgettable destination.